I'd like to welcome you to 2007 Good Friday Easter box break. Here we have a tin of 2005 06 SP Signature Edition with Chris Paul on the cover. It's one auto and two base cards. So let's crack this baby open. Haven't opened the box in about 4 months, so looking forward to this one. This is why I don't open boxes. Yeah, terribly hard to open. Here's the cover. Open the tin. What do we have? Okay, we've got Grant Hill base so far. Jason Kidd base. And let's see what the signature is. Okay. Hopefully I don't cut the card up here, or really cut the card up. There you go. Come on, Chris Paul auto. What do you got for me? So stuck. So there you go. And there we have it. So we got Live Ahead, Scripts for Success, numbered out 200. The young rising star for this Rockets. Not bad at all. So yeah, they're the free cards there. Yeah. Now it's time to go to bed. So thanks for your time, and see you next time. Bye.